Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about ClickUp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a ClickUp productivity app account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a ClickUp account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you probably have a lot of different contractors or employees that you work with. And with ClickUp, it keeps your businesses and projects organized. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the ClickUp website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I've already opened up the ClickUp webpage, and this is the homepage. Now, in order to sign up and create a ClickUp account, you want to click on this button here, Get Started. It's free. Okay, next you want to go ahead and enter in the email address that you're going to use with your ClickUp account. You want to make sure you use the correct email address because you will need to confirm the email. So I'm going to go ahead and enter mine in off screen. Okay, I went ahead and entered my email. I'm going to click on next. Okay, next you want to go ahead and enter in your full name right here. It's going to verify your email. And then also you want to create a password and then click on play with ClickUp. Okay, next ClickUp sent me a confirmation email. So I need to grab that code and then enter it in here. So let me grab that code. Okay, entered in the code. Okay, next ClickUp is going to ask you a series of questions to help get your account set up. So I'm going to go ahead and say I'm using this for work. Now they're asking how large the company is and how many people are going to be working with. Okay, what type of industry you're in. All right, now they're asking how I found out about ClickUp. Now they're asking if I've used any of these other tools. So go ahead and just mark whichever one applies to you. Okay, now they're showing a list of features. So just go ahead and list whichever one would apply to you. Okay, now you can go ahead and name your workspace. All right, I'm going to click finish. Okay, just a quick second later, it brings me to my ClickUp dashboard. So now we can go ahead and start creating dashboards, timesheet. We can start inviting other members in our team. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a ClickUp account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.